Here's the basic problem. There are over 400 varieties of HD video, given all the different combinations of frame rates and screen sizes and compression and all the other stuff. There's just a ton, and there's more coming every month. For instance, we've got HDV and MPEG-4, we've got avc-hd, avc-intra, and DVC Pro HD. Just in the one codec category of HDV, there are over 12 different flavors, and not all cameras shoots all 12. Different cameras shoot different varieties. But there's not just these four, there's also xdcam-hd, xdcam-ex, HDCam, and HDCam-SR. I group them into two categories. The first category is amateur formats. The second category are professional formats. When it comes to amateur formats, I consider HDV, MPEG-4, and avc-hd to be an amateur format. The advantages are the gear that shoots them, the cameras for instance, is inexpensive, and they're very highly compressed. Because they're so compressed, we don't need to have really big hard disks or really powerful computers to be able to store this stuff. The disadvantage, however, is because it's so highly compressed, we generally have poorer image quality, especially if the image is going to be blown up. And second, the render times and the output times are going to be a lot longer, not just because the image size itself is bigger, but because the compression requires more calculational time on the part of your computer. If we look at the professional formats, these would include DVC Pro HD, xdcam-hd, xdcam-ex, avc-intra, HDCam, and its bigger brother HDCam-SR. The advantages to these professional formats is that you have much better image quality, and the files are less compressed, which means they can be magnified, blown up to large screens or projection with many fewer artifacts. The disadvantage, however, is that the gear that uses them is much more expensive. Cameras are more costly. Hard disks have to be bigger and faster. Because there's less compression, they have larger file sizes.